Gulfstream 8 Echo Sierra, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, AAA Echo Sierra, runway 21.
Cessna 325, no 7 off the runway, I got a Gulfstream 1.5 mile final. We got 9, great, no delay to 7.
325.
RG 24 Echo Victor, intersections, enter left base for runway 21, continue traffic will hold mission of Gulfstream.
Okay, we'll enter a left base for 24 Echo Victor.
Number 888, Echo Sierra, Roger, right turn Alpha 4, if you got us out, no delay to 3, taxi to Ross, come on the ground. Aviator 54 northbound for runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, northbound for Aviator 54.
Aviator 4 Echo Victor, I'm going to launch 2 departures out, scan just for the base off to about 3.5 mile final.
24 Echo Victor, roger.
Gulfstream 6 Charlie Alpha, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, 6 Charlie Alpha. Big day.
9 Kilo Kilo, Scottsdale, sorry, my next one, hold short, runway 21. RV4 Echo Victor, appreciate the help. Runway 21, clear to land.
Clear line 21, 24 Echo Victor.
Beach 829 Kilo Kilo, turn right heading 300, runway 21, quick takeoff. That's going to be 300 for 9 Kilo Kilo. Gulfstream 6 Charlie Alpha, country departure, zero.
Over departure, 6 Charlie Alpha. Enjoy your day.
Number 2 Tango Whiskey for Schaefer, we'll see you.
Tango Whiskey, frequency change.
And Aviator 75, you can start your left turn southeastbound.
Aviator 75, set that left.
Gulfstream 280 Papa Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, close takeoff.
21, set takeoff, Gulfstream 280 Papa Charlie.
And November 1 Delta Victor, 1 Able, offset 10 degrees to the left. Traffic is Gulfstream departing behind you. And Aviator 75, traffic off to the left is the biplane, also south-southeastbound.
Aviator 75, looking for traffic.
And November 1 Delta Victor, traffic off to the right, Cessna 2600.
Scottsdale Tower, 81765, just north of Deer Valley, inbound with
Sir, 81765, Scottsdale Tower, you can enter the right base for runway 21.
right base for 21765.
Gulfstream 0 Papa Charlie, contact Phoenix Park, y'all have a good one.
Departure, good day, 280 Papa Charlie.
And November 765, you're following a Cessna, just head to your right on a 1 mile base, final runway 21, clear to land.
765 is clear to land behind the Cessna. We're looking for that Cessna. We don't have yet.
Gulfstream X-ray Alpha Bravo Alpha Lima, runway 21, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Alpha. Scottsdale Tower, 82, Skyhawk 82, Lima Alpha, 10 miles northwest, full stop without.
Skyhawk 882, Lima Alpha, Scottsdale Tower, port 5 miles northwest of field for right traffic, runway 21.
Port 5 miles northwest, right traffic, runway 21, 82 Lima Alpha.
And Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, traffic over the power plant northwest bound is a helicopter.
Looking for traffic, 82 Lima Alpha.
And helicopter 9 Charlie Mike, traffic 10 miles northwest of field inbound towards power plant, 3,400 sending Cessna.
9 Charlie Mike, we're looking.
November 8 Papa Sierra, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land 21, 8 Papa Sierra.
And Gulfstream X-ray Alpha Bravo Alpha Lima, contact Phoenix Park, y'all have a good one.
Phoenix departure, Bravo Alpha Lima, have a nice day, guys. Scottsdale Tower, man, the 14 Charlie Mike of beam, Deer Valley.
No, 41 Charlie Mike, Scottsdale Tower, make right traffic, runway 21. Slot 8 Papa Sierra, you can turn right on Alpha 11 and or Alpha 10 and contact ground.
Take Alpha 11 and over to ground, 8 Papa Sierra.
Jet speed 848, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line up and wait. Traffic Cessna 4 miles east.
Point 21, jet speed 848.
And jet speed 848, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
7AF21, jet speed 848.
Cessna 451, you can stand at the left base, runway 21, clear to land.
Left base 21, clear to land, Saratoga 451.
Cessna 4 Sierra Juliet, just enter the midfield downwind. You're going to be following a Falcon on about a 8-mile final.
Tower 80, Falcon 43, Echo Charlie, visual to 1.
Falcon 483, Echo Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, make straight in, runway 21, clear to land. You're following the Saratoga 1 mile left base.
Runway 21, 3 Echo Charlie.
Jet speed 848, contact being sparked, y'all have a good one.
You do the same, Beverly, see y'all.